set of real numbers between two given numbers on a number line. So when about the real numbers, so when they'll give number system about the real numbers between two given numbers, how to keep on the number line. So let us see with the example sums. For example, first one, the graph of, that means we need to represent on the number line. So draw the graph of x such that -1 less than or equals to x less than or equal to 3, and x belongs to the real numbers. So we know that real numbers. Now this one how to represent on the number line. So between two given numbers, so between -1 and 3, x is we should represent. So x is equals to even -1 and 3 also, but including all this, because -1 less than or equal to x, x is less than or equal to 3. So because of previous we have discussed only natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Now this topic, when you observe, should take the number line in this. Okay, 0, maintain the same gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, -1, -2, -3. So on you can write. So here is x is between -1 and 3, including -1, 3 also. So because of less than or equals to, because of equal symbol, we should keep one circle and should bubble this entire. If it is not included, that is a hollow circle, that we'll see next example. So because of including, -1 also including, and yes, 3 also is included. Let me take this. So this we should completely -3. So this is entire, -1 is included and 3. So because of real numbers between -1 and 3, each and every number, so even 1.1, 1.2, so infinite numbers between those. That's why you should draw one more line on this entire. So just one dark line you need to draw. That's okay. Meaning of this is x is belongs between this -1 and 3, including all the numbers, including -1, 3 also. So because of -1 and 3 is included, just I, instead of hollow circle, the complete circle is bubbling at it. So dark circle should take. So entire circle should be dark with the dot. -1 and 3 is included. So this is the meaning for this. Let us see one more. One is not included case. So this is a graph of, we take one example, x belongs, x such that -2 less than or equals to x, only less than 3, and x belongs to the real numbers. Okay, if it's a natural number, whole numbers, integers, there is only particular numbers, but because of the real numbers, every number should be counted. So now this one, notice the same thing, draw the number line. Minimum is -2, maximum is 3. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. From the 0 left side is -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Here is -2 less than or equals to x. So that means -2 is included. -2. So complete -2, we should use the complete dot. The circle should be closed. And x is less than 3. So 3 is not counted because x is less than 3 means even 2.9999 also is a real number. So 3 is not counted. So we can use just a hollow circle. The meaning of this. There's only small difference. So we should take like this. So that is the open circle. That is a hollow circle. Gap should be in between. That meaning of this is 3 is not included. And remaining all numbers are included. So you can draw a line on this line again, which you can draw a little dark. That means each and every number is included in it. And here is the open circle. This is the closed. So this circle should completely bubbling this. This is should be open. So there is a small difference here when you notice, because x is less than 3. Okay, 3 is not included. That's why 3 should be open. Okay, there is a small difference between when it's enclosed and not included. So it's included, it's not included here. Right? One more problem I'll explain. Let us see another one. So the graph of x such that, so let's take 1 less than x less than 5 and x belongs to real numbers. X is belongs to real numbers, that's why you should take in this way. So here is 1 and 5 is not included, but x is between them, positive numbers all. So if you see this, 0 minus 1, keep the arrow marks, no negative numbers, so only have from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay, so when you observe here is 1 is not included because x is greater than 1, 1 is less than x, and 1 is not included. We can use for this, at the place of 1 only one circle you can keep, but don't bubble this. And x is less than 5 and 5 is not included, so for this also just you can keep the open circle. But in between 1 and 5 all the numbers, even 1.111 also real number, 1.2. That's why you can, every point on this you can draw the line. Yeah, so every point on this we can make. This is the meaning of this, right? Is open. If it is included, we should use the complete dot, circle should be dark. If it is not included, like open only, same like previous. This example is both are not included, so both the sides I used a open circle. So this is the special here. Here is a 1 as well as 5. Okay, not contained in the given set. 1 and 5 is not belongs to the given set. Remaining all the points. Okay, if it is a content we can take, otherwise no. In this way, this is simple examples like this you can do any type. These are the set of real numbers between two given numbers on number line. Okay, again next we will see some more conditions based on the real line. If it is infinite, this is a finite limit between the numbers, is a limit. Minus 1 to 3. Here is minus 2 to 3. If it is infinite case in this number line from only real numbers, let us see now.